Bernard Ofuyo. I'm a constructor with the Makiga Engineering, Makiga Building and Construction. On site, you have to prepare your foundation first. After doing the foundation, you have also to cast the, remember the foundation is done with the normal quarry stones. The foundation is the normal foundation. You don't use Makiga on foundations. After you have built your foundation, the next step is the casting of the slab. After casting the slab, you use some mortar to hold the first course in its place. After doing that, the next courses, you just interlock them as you go upwards.
My name's Jonathan Hesbon Muita. I am supervising the interlocking block making and from Makiga. There is two institutions, as you had already been told. There is Makiga Engineering Company, which is associated with the manufacturing of the machines that make the Makiga blocks. And then there is Makiga Consruction Company that is concerned with the construction work. Within the construction work, that is where we embark on making the ISSB, interlocking stabilized soil blocks. And with these soil blocks, we make it from different types of materials and from different kind of soil, except the black cotton soil. And the best of them all is the marram soil or the marram. And when we get to the red soil, we have it here. Sometimes we sieve to get the best and the finest of the soil, and that's why we use this to sieve the soil to get the best, to remove the big stones and get the type and the evenness of the type that we want. After we get the soil, the right type, we bring the soil to where we are mixing together with the cement, as you can see. Then we mix the soil, or the type of the soil, with the right kind of the cement that we want, and the sand, depending on the ratio that we got from Makiga laboratory. And after we have mixed this according to that ratio, then we pour some little water, as you can see, and with that we give certain moisture, not to dampen the whole thing with water, but to make it a little bit, to have it a little bit wet. Then we mix the soil evenly, and we mix thoroughly to give it homogenization. It is homogenized in a manner that every part, the cement is in every place, as you can see. And after that, then we take this mixture of this soil and we put it in this machine. And as you can see, then we press and press again until it comes to the right height, and we level the soil. You can see how it is being leveled. And then after that, the pressing. After that, we produce the block. We remove the block from the inside, and from there the block is taken to go where it is supposed to be kept so that the drying starts. But as it starts, it is a certain way. There is a certain way of drying them. We don't just put them here to start drying them. First of all, we keep them here, and then we cover them with a polyethylene sheeting, as you can see. Then, after that, the moisture starts to come up. It starts the drying process. On the second day, we start watering, because it has to be watered, and we keep on watering for the next 14 days. But on the fourth day, that is after 84 hours from the day we made the block, we move it from there and take it to these like pallets or in a pattern, and we put them, we stack them. This is a stack now, as you can see. We have stacked them together. And in this stack, we put them in a manner or in a way that there is air can go inside and go around in every part of the block. So you don't just put blocks one on each other, but we put them in a way, you can see the process, of that there is air ways, it goes, there is airways which can go through. As we keep on pouring water up to the 14th day, but this is now the stacking, we do it after 84 hours. Then from there, we keep on watering. And after the 14th day, we remove them from there and keep them in a house or a shade where we have stacked them, as you can see. And the blocks are ready to build after, even after that, those 14 days, but we would like to recommend 21 days. Then it is completely dry and ready for construction. Yes, thank you.